Hello friends, today I'll be talking about two letters of English whose sounds are generally confused with each other, and those are V and W. The sound of letter V is V. We lower our tongue, our front teeth touch the lower lip and there is slight vibration. V, wet. V, very. On the other hand, the sound of letter W is W. Our tongue doesn't touch any part of our mouth and we round our lips. W. As if we're kissing somebody. Water. Whale. Watch. So now you know the difference. West. West. Wine. Wine. Wet. Wet. I hope it is clear now. Thank you.